Cicrydd gynnar i'r tîm cartra. Uniongyrchol tuag at Wild, ar ôl beniad y disgyn yn y cwrt Cosby. James Owen yn rhoi Cei Cona ar y blaen. 50 eiliad ar y cloc. Y dechreuad perffaith i dîm Andy Morrison. Mae James Owen yn claddu i gol gyntaf o'r tymor. Cei Cona 1, y dre newydd dim. Owen. Ymlaen gan Wilson. Owen yn adeillu meddiant. Yn camu ar draws Leslie, mynd yn y cwrt Cosby. I Michael Wilder, droed chwith Wilder, ergyd Flair. I mi droed gryfa. Yn werth cynnig. Fletcher. Pŵl yn adeillu meddiant, Wignall. Cyfle yn dibu Denny ar ei droed chwith, Wignall! Yn sgorio'r ail gol o'r noson i'r tîm cartra. Ail o'r tymor i Wignall. Ail o'r noson i Cei Cona. Triffwynt o ddiogel. Siawns gen i rwan. Cei Cona 2. Y dre newydd dim. Wignall yn fyr i Wilson. Nôl i Wignall. Yn bwysig am Williams. Groesiad ddifn teg at y postyn pell Andy Owens oedd yno. Mae'n taro trawst. Mae dal yno. A mae Callum Morris ar fater syml iawn i benio mewn i gol gyntaf o'r tymor. Andy Owens ar ei postyn bella. Taro trawst. Nid yn waith ond ddwywaith. Cei Cona tair. Y dre newydd dim. Fletcher. Mlaen teg at Bownford os o gol yma i'r dre newydd. Oes ma' yna gol gysur fydd hi. Yn yr amser sy'n cael ychwanegu gan y dyfarnwr gynta'r tymor i Bownford. A fydd Andy Morrison yn mynd apus bod i dîm dildio gol yma ar ddiwedd y gêm. Gibbo, not a bad way to bounce back following 2 league defeats.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, the Falkirk game's in the middle of that, so we didn't ever feel like we were really on, like, you know, a bad run or a bad patch. But at Connah's Quay Football Club, we're all about winning games and winning games of football. And every time you play a game and the result doesn't go your way, it's important that the character of the team shines through. You go back to following the processes, which is what we do here at this football club, and get back to winning ways as soon as possible. And I think that's what we've done today. You know, we tried to move on quickly from Tuesday, but we knew there was things to learn from it. And then after that, we were lucky enough to put it right, and scoring in the first minute of the game sort of helps, doesn't it?
Oedd hi'n gol bach da, oedd hi'n gwir. Na, oedd hi'n eistedd chwarae'n hir 5 munud gyntaf fel arfer, a lwcus bod hi bwnsio iddo fi, a nes i hitio off shin pad yn mynd fewn. Ar ôl Barry a Cynarfon, oedd hi'n bwysig bod ni yn curo'r gem, a dim ots sut oedd hi'n curo, ond i sgorio mor fuan, dwi'n meddwl nath hynna setlo ni lawr. A'r amser nath ni sgorio'r ail, dwi'n meddwl nath hynna lladd y gem off.
You know, when you come to top teams like that, you can't give away goals because then that allows them to sit in, and that's what they did to us. And you know, and then the second goal they picked us off, and you know we pushed men forward. But you know, look, in terms of the performance tonight, I'm pleased. Obviously, the result is a disappointing one, but you know we more than matched them for large periods of the game, I felt. But you know, just fine details throughout the game meant that you know they took the 3 points and we didn't.